Alright traders, in this video I'm going to show you the best trading indicator that you've never heard of. And by the time you're done watching this video, I think you're going to be a master at spotting and identifying perfect trading setups exactly like this. Alright? Because just trust me guys and gals, these chart patterns show up almost on a daily basis. Alright, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a long-term subscriber and customer, then you know I appreciate your support. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action trading. All right. Now look, I know a lot of you guys have dreams and aspirations to be full-time traders. I get it. Okay. But without a logical and competent trading strategy, I think a lot of you guys are just going to continuously blow out trading accounts, right? 99% of traders out there have no idea how to manage their risk, even though we are in the best trading environment, I think, ever. I mean, yesterday the market was down thousands of points. Today, the market's up thousands of ticks. Right? These wild intraday swings are a day trader's dream. This is our paradise. And if you're sitting on the sidelines not doing anything, you're just twiddling your thumbs, then shame on you. Okay, because you should be out there in the trenches looking for really high probability, low risk setups just like this. Speaking of, okay, this green and red color band is our proprietary volume-based indicator. This thing does a phenomenal job of predicting a trend change before it starts. Okay, case in point right here. You can see the trend changed from red into green. What does that mean? Well, at this exact moment in time, it tells you one thing and one thing only, and that is the buyers are in control at 8:43 a.m. and there's a higher probability than not of the market going up from this exact moment in time, right? You don't know for sure that the market was going to surge like it did today. I'm going to show you how to look for really good setups, but you still don't know, right? You still don't know that the market's going to rip like it did today. So this is how you play the color change, and it's not what you think. Okay, now sure, if you're an aggressive type of trader, I guess you could think about going long the market right here, but that's not for me. Okay, I like to wait for the market to prove that it's established some upward momentum like it did here. Okay, that is step one in my process of how I qualify a trade. Now step number two, it's a very important step. All right, you have to get really good at identifying this step number two, because if you do, I promise you it's going to change your trading forever. Just trust me. All right, step number two, I want to wait for the market to dip back, dip back, dip back. You see how it's kind of like just dipping back, dipping back. It's coming back to us. It's printing a bunch of red bars. It's scaring out a lot of the weak traders, a lot of the weak hands, and all the retail traders and amateur traders are stopped out. And that is because the professional traders are getting ready to buy this market, let me zoom in here, at this exact location. Okay, and what makes this a perfect setup? Well, number one, it's a retracement. What is a retracement? It's simply the market coming back to us like it did here. Number two, I want to wait for a color match. What does that mean? Well, I want to wait for a green bar to close, and that green bar's got to match the green color band. That's pretty obvious. But more important than anything else, this green bar has to be underneath this color band. Make sense? And so now that everything has lined up perfectly, what I then look to do is potentially go long the market on the open of the next bar, which is right there. And I want to use the previous signal bar's low as my stop loss. I typically put it a couple of ticks or a couple of pips if you trade Forex underneath the signal bar, what I call the qualifying bar. Okay? And that's it. From this point on, you are simply waiting for the market to keep trending in the original direction. And like I said, guys, there's a higher probability than not of the trend continuing. Make sense? And look, man, if I squish this in, you guys know what happened today. I mean, this market skyrocketed for 700 potential ticks and or pips. All right, guys and gals. So don't you dare tell me that retracement patterns don't work. Don't you dare tell me that trend trading does not work. Okay, so big shout out and big congratulations to all of my people who were disciplined, you were patient, and you were able to capitalize on what I think is one of the most perfect setups I've ever seen to capture today's shocking market rally. To everybody else, man, still sitting on the sidelines, still fumbling and bumbling around with your Bollinger Bands and your candlestick charts, okay, then get off the sidelines, get involved, and learn how real volume profile analysis actually works. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.